How to change video quality on Amazon Prime. So go open your Amazon Prime application. Make sure that you are on the homepage of the app. Now click on the profile icon here on the upper right corner of the screen. Select the gear icon. Then in this page, go ahead and click on the stream and download. Go to streaming quality. And now what you want to do is to click on the best quality if you want the maximum quality that you can get. Or you can just choose among these options. Now go back and then proceed to download quality. And in here, you can also adjust the quality of your downloaded videos. So that is how to change video quality on Amazon Prime. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.